Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Hi, how are you guys? I hope everybody is doing fine and everybody is well. Today we have a very easy and short recipe. Like if you have any extra lettuce in your house and it's just in the refrigerator for many days and you don't have anything to do with that, you can just make yourself this very easy lettuce salad. It's so healthy for those who are on a diet, or even for those like for kids and also for the old people, because it's very nutritious and it will help ev- it will help you what do we say that I don't get the correct word. Okay, anyway, it will help you, yeah, it will help your body to develop. Anyway, first for that we just need to slice down the lettuce, and then we can slice down some cucumbers and put it in the mixture. Then we can slice off some tomatoes. Like my Amo is just making cubes like this, very easy slices, no need to go with good looking and critical slices. It's just a healthy salad, so anything goes very well with it. After the lettuce, cucumber and tomato, we can add some chilies. We are using green chilies. You can avoid this, like if you don't like chilies you can avoid the chilies, but we just love spicy things, so we just had to add it. And then some onions for a sweet flavor. You can add more for a more flavorful taste, or you can add less for a less flavorful. It depends on how much you like. My Amo just took a medium sized onion and half of it, so half of a medium sized onion, and then she's just gonna slice it the usual casual way, whatever you like to call it, just like this. And then like we can just keep it in there after we separate it. And then my also boiled some eggs. Like she boiled some eggs and now she's slicing it. As you can see, it's so hot. Like she just boiled it and the smoke is like coming out. Anyway, you can slice it into these type of pieces and put it inside your salad, and it's got so much tastier. Like those people who doesn't like vegetable, like myself, not like I like vegetables but I don't like salads. I like cucumbers, I like everything, lettuce also, but I don't like tomatoes. It just tastes good. Anyway, you can add some eggs and it will add a bit of a really nice flavor to our salad. Usually nobody puts egg in the salad, that's why. Anyway, it's just optional. Whatever you want to put, you can just put inside. And then she made this mixture, and then she's just going to put that in for a bit of flavorful taste. She always does that, my Amo. And then like put some black salt in there, mix it up all together. The final step, that means we're getting close to the finishing line. We're getting close to ready. Yeah, and then it's done. It looks so healthy and delicious. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Masalama.